Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate SMARTY SIM card. So you simply need to search SMARTY SIM card activate. So search this only and you need to open the first website. So once you are here, you need to scroll down and so here you can see if you so log in your online account and tap activate my SIM. So log in into your account, accept all cookies, and once you log in, so here you need to create an account and log in. So let me log in here. So let me create an account here because I do not have. Let's suppose you create an account and after that you need to view the web. So here you can see go to smarty.co.uk/activate. Okay, so once you are here, as it is mentioned, here you can see start by entering the last 12 digit of your SIM number. So add your number here and click on continue. And after that, your SIM will be activated. So this is a process that you need to follow to activate Smarty SIM card. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.